How to turn off disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside, you can just tap on any chats on the Messenger. And now here, once you're inside the chats, then what you can do is just tap on the person name or the profile at the top. And now here, once you are in this section, then what you can do is simply scroll down and there you'll see the privacy and support section. And now here in the privacy and support section there you'll see the option labeled as disappearing messages. So simply tap on it. And now here, as you can see, I have already disabled the disappearing messages option, but if you have enabled it, then what you can do is just select off option in here. And once you do it, it will turn off disappearing messages option on Facebook Messenger. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.